Start a leather accessories business, leather goods business, leather accessories business. How to start a leather accessories setup. You must have seen many leather products in the markets and other places as well, where the people use to sell those items. The leather accessories business includes belts, wallets, bags, books, covers and other small items. The use of all these kinds of leather products in daily life has become a reason for their popularity. The people have shown their interest in selling and making it because somehow it is easy. The style and quality of leather goods keep developing as per the market requirement. Furthermore, you may select any leather item for business purposes. Apart from this, you have two options. First is to buy ready-made products from the wholesaler to sell them. The second is to start your self-manufacturing, which is required investment and workforce. Moreover, if you would like to avoid the product making cost and other hassles, I advise you to become a trader by investing a minimum and affordable amount. Now you may think that whether it's required a particular location or place to start with this business, I say it is not necessary. However, you have to work smartly to set up this business online. It needs to build up an e-commerce website to list your product to sell and perform online marketing and utilize social media networks. Furthermore, several digital marketing courses and videos are available on YouTube, where most people freely teach to make different websites. You could do all these activities alone and do not need to hire an individual. In addition, if your budget allows you to set up a proper shop to sell these kinds of items, then you may go ahead. For your reference, please check one of my articles where I have shown a technique to start a business with no money. Starting a manufacturing unit. If you choose a single leather product, then starting a production business will be easy as it does not require huge investment initially. Only experienced workers matter. Regarding starting a manufacturing unit, the general principles will be applied, and you must have to follow them. After following all the necessary steps for the business establishments, you will have to focus on production equipment and machine selection. In this article, I have also explained the type of machine and equipment needed for some leather products manufacturing. In the meantime, you will need to arrange the raw materials from the wholesale market only because that will make your financial burden less heavy. You can make many varieties of the below given products from their machine models. Number 1. Book binding with leather cover stitching machine. Number 2. Wallet making machines and equipment. Number 3. Belt making machines. Number 4. Leather bag making machines. When your setup is ready for production, you have to monitor all the activities inside and outside the company to run the business smoothly without any hassle. Here you have to take care of essential maintenance for the machine. Mostly the heavy-duty machine parts do not deteriorate sooner than other fabric sewing machines. However, you will have to regularly check the machine performance so that production does not stop due to fabric and thread trimming waste because it can cause machine malfunctions. The basic maintenance counts such as oiling, daily cleaning, and checking the needle point, which often breaks during the production and may shrink the material. Further, remember that according to the material thickness, the needle sizes have to be replaced. The clutch motor and other rotating components will also have to be monitored, where the thread is often stuck during the production, which may damage them. To know more about it, please visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Thank you for watching.